Hi, I am Parag Kumar. In this video, we will see the properties of joint distribution function and also we will see the proofs for each property. Before seeing the proof, first of all understand the definition of the joint distribution function. The joint distribution function is written as capital F x comma y of x comma y. This is the notation used for joint distribution function. It is nothing but the probability of capital X less than or equal to x. This is and or intersection y less than or equal to y. That is, the meaning here is the joint occurrence of, that is the intersection of y less than or equal to y and x less than or equal to x. Here I am just writing with comma, but the thing here is it is nothing but the intersection, the joint occurrence of both x less than or equal to x and y less than or equal to y. That probability is nothing but the f x comma y of small x comma y. That is, I have written like this here. Property of capital X less than or equal to small x intersection y less than or equal to y. This is the definition. That is, it gives the probability that the event capital X less than or equal to, let us consider x is some heads and y is some tails. The number of heads less than or equal to some 2 and tails less than or equal to some 3, both occurring jointly. That is given by the joint distribution function. The properties are f x comma y of minus infinity comma minus infinity is equal to 0. F x comma y of x comma minus infinity is also 0. F x comma y of minus infinity comma y is equal to 0. We will see the proofs here for these three. F x comma y of infinity comma infinity is equal to 1. F x comma y of x comma infinity is equal to f x of x. This f x of x is nothing but the marginal distribution function. That is, if you know the joint distribution function, you can calculate the distribution function for only x random variable. Similarly, fx comma y of infinity comma y is equal to fy of y. This is nothing but the marginal distribution function of y. That is, if you know the joint distribution function, if you keep x is equal to infinity in the distribution function, you can get the distribution function of y alone. Similarly, here the fx comma y of x comma y is nothing but the probability. Here the maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is 0. Why? Because here, observe here, for minus infinity to comma minus infinity the value is 0. For infinity to comma infinity the value is 1. So the maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is 0. The function is always lies between 0 and 1. The probability of x1 less than x less than or equal to x2, here nothing is missing, comma y1 less than y less than equal to y2 is there here. So that is the joint probability of x1 less than x less than equal to x2, comma intersection y1 less than y less than or equal to y2 is equal to, that is given as f x1 comma y of x2 comma y2 plus f x comma y of x1 comma y1 minus f x comma y of x2 comma y1 minus f x comma y of x1 comma y2. The thing, other property is f x comma y of x comma y is a non-decreasing function. As you will see for single variable case, here also we will see that it is a non-decreasing function. Now we will see the properties, proofs. So first property, fx comma y of minus infinity comma minus infinity is equal to 0. So this is obtained by writing the definition of fx comma y of x comma y is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x integration. I am writing like this, y less than or equal to y. That is the joint occurrence of x less than or equal to small x and y less than or equal to y. See, observe here, x less than or equal to, here x is minus infinity, y is minus infinity. So the definition here is probability of capital X less than or equal to minus infinity comma y less than or equal to minus infinity. X less than or equal to minus infinity is an impossible event. That's why the set contains no elements. It is phi. Similarly, y less than or equal to minus infinity is also, there is no possible value which is less than minus infinity. So that's why the set is also phi. So phi intersection phi is the phi, which is a null set. The probability of null set is 0. Similarly, here fx comma y of x comma minus infinity is also 0. This is proved by writing fx comma y of x comma minus infinity is equal to probability of x less than or equal to small x comma y less than or equal to minus infinity. Here minus infinity is there. Here y less than or equal to minus infinity, there is no possible event which is less than minus infinity for y. So that is, it is phi. We have to look for probability of intersection of phi and x less than or equal to x. Intersection means there is no event, phi is null set, there is no event. So intersection is nothing but phi here. So probability of phi is equal to 0 in this case. Now similarly we will see the third one, fx comma y of minus infinity comma y is equal to 0. Fx comma y of minus infinity comma y can be written as probability of x less than or equal to minus infinity comma y less than or equal to y. Here x less than or equal to minus infinity is an impossible event. That's why the set contains no elements. It is phi. Phi intersection of y less than or equal to y is nothing but 5. So probability of null set phi is equal to 0 in this case. So these are the three properties. Fx comma y of minus infinity comma minus infinity is equal to 0. Fx comma y of x comma minus infinity is also 0. Fx comma y of minus infinity comma y is also 0. Next we will see the fourth one. Fx comma y of infinity comma infinity is equal to 1. That is fx comma y of infinity comma infinity is equal to probability of x less than or equal to infinity intersection y less than or equal to infinity. X less than or equal to infinity means it contains the total sample space here. Y less than or equal to infinity means it contains total sample space. So integration of intersection of two sample space is nothing but the sample space. So probability of sample space means total sample space probability should be 1. Next, fx comma y of x comma infinity is equal to fx of x. Fx comma y of x comma infinity is equal to, from the definition we are writing, probability of x less than or equal to x, y less than or equal to infinity. See, y less than or equal to infinity means all events it is occurring, that is s. It is x less than or equal to x. Intersection means this s contains x less than or equal to x. That thing we have to take in common element. So that is nothing but probability of x less than or equal to x, which is equal to definition of fx of x. This fx of x is nothing but the marginal distribution function. The marginal distribution function can be obtained from the joint distribution function by keeping y is equal to infinity in this case. Similarly, fx comma y of infinity comma y is equal to fy of y. Here probability of x less than or equal to infinity, y less than or equal to y. By taking integration here, x less than or equal to infinity means we will take all the elements of the set, that is sample space S, intersection y less than or equal to y. See, intersection means we are going to take y less than or equal to y elements in this sample space. So that is probability of y less than or equal to y, that is equal to, from the definition, it is nothing but y distribution function, capital Y, capital F, y less than y of y. So this is the marginal distribution function of y. That is, the fy of y can be obtained, marginal distribution function can be obtained from the joint distribution function by keeping x is equal to infinity. So next property is fx comma y of x comma is a non-decreasing function. That is, it is always an increasing function. For that one, let us consider let x1 less than x2 and y less than y2. X1 less than x2 means let us consider x1 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to, let us consider 7. Suppose the set x less than or equal to x2. X less than or equal to set means it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This set is equal to, it is a union of x less than or equal to x1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. This set contains union x1 less than x less than or equal to x2. That is x1 less than x less than or equal to x2 indicates 5, 6, 7 elements. That is x less than or equal to x2. That is the total 7 is equal to, set 7 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 union 5, 6, 7. That is the meaning from here. Now let us consider this is A set, B set and C set. We know that A intersection B, A intersection D is equal to, here A is equal to, we are writing B union C here, B union C intersection D. From the property we know that one, B union C intersection D is equal to B intersection D union C intersection D. So right, let us consider D is equal to y less than or equal to y1 as a one event or one set. Now A intersection D I am writing like this is equal to, that is the set contains, A intersection D set contains here B intersection D union C intersection D. Apply the probability on both sides, we will get a probability of x less than or equal to x2, y less than or equal to y1 is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to x1, y less than or equal to y1 plus probability of union is equal to, get as a plus here, plus probability of x1 less than x less than or equal to x2, y less than or equal to y1. So we know the definition of this one, it is written as joint distribution function fx comma y of x2 comma y1 is equal to fx comma y of x1 comma y1 plus the probability. So from this equation we are saying that fx comma y of x2 comma y1 is always greater than fx comma y of x1 comma y1. See here, observe x1 is less than x2, that is x2 is greater, that's why it is a non-decreasing function. And the next one is the seventh one, the maximum value and the minimum value is 0 and 1. This can be obtained easily from the first properties. And the next property is how to get the probability value of x1 less than x less than or equal to x2, y1 less than y less than or equal to y2. It is the formula is fx comma y of x2 comma y2 plus fx comma y of x1 comma y1 minus fx comma y of x2 comma y1 minus fx comma y of x1 comma yt. To prove this one, I am taking here, we know this one, x less than or equal to x2 is equal to x less than or equal to x1 union x1 less than x less than or equal to x2. And write this one as we have seen the previous property, from the previous property. Here d I am taking as y1 less than y less than or equal to y2 here, right? Now it is intersection. Now this y1 less than y less than or equal to y2 can be written as, from the properties of our distribution function, it is probability of y is equal to y2 minus probability of y is equal to y1. So you can write integration of this and this. Here x less than or equal to x2 integration this one, x less than or equal to x2 integration this one. Similarly here also you can split like this and take the integration on all these things. You can easily get this one. These are the properties of the joint distribution function. Thank you.